In today's video, we are going to show you how to quickly find north in Google Earth and how to adjust the compass orientation so your map is always properly aligned. This is super helpful for navigation, map reading, and general orientation. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, you can either log into your Google account and then go to the new button on the top right corner if you want to create a new map. For example, we are going to search for a specific place, and if you want to always find the north wherever you are, all I have to do is hover down at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, all I have to do is click the reset to north to quickly face the north again. It's super simple, and this instantly resets the view so north is at the top of the screen once again. Alright? Of course, if you want to adjust the view itself, just click and drag the compass and rotate the map right here. You also have the option to tilt. Now, this is super useful when viewing terrain, buildings, or 3D landscapes. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to find north in Google Earth and adjust compass orientation. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.